James Akers here, the tie guy. Today we're going to be tying a really fun and nice Burberry tie with a lot of texture and a lot of geometric design to it. Burberry, of course, is a famous British company, but they do make their ties in Italy. So you're getting basically an Italian silk tie with Burberry design. And although I'm not real happy with where the Burberry manufactures some of their merchandise, I will say from a design standpoint, they're top notch. I mean, I have a Burberry sweater I just bought that I absolutely am in love with. It's made in China by an English company, but the design is so good and it's well made. So their ties are actually made in Italy, though. The silk is good silk. It lays pretty good, has a tiny bit of rigidness to it, but I think that's because of some of the texturing that's in this particular tie. I've got several Burberry ties, and they all tie really nice ties. It has a nice filling silk to it, really nice pattern. This particular tie is, it's basically a navy blue with like little gold rectangles and little red dots. So we're pairing that today with a red shirt, and that should pull the red out of that tie. And we're pairing it with a navy suit, so the navy tie and the red will just blend. I like everything to kind of come together. So let's tie this up and see how it comes together. It is, I forgot to say this part, it is a pretty thin tie. It's not very thick at all. It's wide but not thick. So, because it's a thin tie, but it is wide, so we got that silk there, we're probably going to need maybe around this range right here. We'll see if that's right. We have to retie it. It's not a super long tie. I don't have a lot of slack on this end. So we take the long part of the tie over top, then we come underneath, up and through. Then we come around behind, up and over and through. Now we go over the top, over the front, keeping everything tight, back behind, up and through. And now we're going to put it through this little pocket we just created. Hold the top of the pocket, pull the tie through. Now we make our adjustments. We turn all this down and we hold on to the knot and pull on the long part of the tie. That's going to tighten up the knot. This is, being a wide tie, it really ties a nice knot. So we bring the knot up here and we're going to check for our length. We want the tip of the tie, this part of the tie, to be between the top and the bottom of the belt buckle. Right there, about halfway down, came out perfect. So let's put the collar down. I am wearing a button-down collar, so I had to make sure that I get this tie knot fairly tight. If you have too thick of a knot and a button-down collar, just everything bulges, and I just don't think it looks very good when you do that. So let me get this collar down, and we'll take a look, see how this all came together. Tidy it up here a little bit. Yeah, nice tight knot. We want it to be symmetrical. We want it to be in the middle. There we go, beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Now, the look will start scrolling across the bottom of your screen, but I'm going to go over it with you right now. Let me get this jacket on here. So we've got a navy blue, a Navy Zegna Suit, navy blue suit. We have a red Brooks Brothers shirt with a button-down pointed collar. We have a navy blue Burberry tie with some gold rectangles and red dots. We have a brown Salvatore Ferragamo Belt with a silver belt buckle. And today we're pairing that with a pair of light brown Ferragamo Oxfords. On my Instagram, Tie Guy James Akers, you'll see close-ups of the shoes with the belt, close-ups of the tie, so you can see the texture of the tie and the look and everything else. You'll see selfies of me with the tie, as well as close-ups of the knot. So check it out. Thanks for watching. Click subscribe and like if you enjoy my videos, but I am ready for work.